Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and prep these. These are gonna be for Mother's Day, and you guys are gonna love this thing for Mother's Day. It's gonna be the cutest theme in the world. So let me get ready. I gotta prep these. I'm gonna get them ready so when I do make the video, it's a lot shorter than doing the video and the thing. Because it's a lot, let me tell you. I know that you know that I posted these as soon as I saw them at the Dollar Tree. So I posted them. And they are little gummy bear notebooks from the Walmart. I mean, they're from Walmart, I'm sorry. How cute is this? So this inspired me. I picked them up in every color. I ran to the dollar store. I picked up my favorite baskets, and it just inspired me to do my Mother's Day baskets. That thing. Take your time when you guys are taking this off. Because we're going to go ahead and prep these. But how freaking cute is this going to look? So I'm taking my time. And I also got an alcohol swab. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to prep these. I think they are adorable. They're going to come out super cute. I'll show you the rest of the notebooks when I make the baskets. But these are the ones I picked up. Now this year, I'm going to give them out random. Whoever gets, I'm going to have them pick a number. If you get number one is going to be pink. Number two is going to be purple. Because I have been getting, you know, one of my sisters like, why do I always get the purple? I get stuck with the purple. So, okay, let's see how we do it. I'm going to go ahead and cut these edges real quick, nothing fancy. You guys don't have to see that. Okay, I'm going to cut this down and see how I can make it. Now, it's going to take a lot of transfer tape, but I'm okay with that because I'm going to use it 3 times. This is my favorite transfer tape. I love that it has the grid lines to help me out. I'm going to link it down below so you guys can go ahead and order your own as well. But this is it. This is my favorite. I'll link it down below in the video. So don't worry about that. I'm going to pull this a little back. I'm going to be able to see everything. Okay. So let's start with the pink one. Isn't that adorable? Grab it. Grab your transfer tape. Oh my God. This is going to be so adorable. Put it on top. I want you to grab your scraper, which I have on my Amazon storefront. I'll link everything down below. I don't want no air bubbles. If you see an air bubble, take it out. I want you to lift it. I'm going to face it towards me because I need to get it right. I'm going to put it down. I'm going to press on it. And I'm going to try to get every air bubble I see out of it. Because I already see a couple. So it's better to take them out now than I have to deal with it later. Okay? When you're ready, you're going to go ahead and you're going to lift it nice and slow. If it lifts with it, you're going to press it back down. I don't want you to lift it if it's going to lift with it. And there you go. How freaking cute is that? Tell me these are not going to be adorable. Wait until I add the... How freaking cute is that going to be? You guys, this is adorable. I have one little air bubble, which I will get rid of myself. I hate air bubbles. So all you have to do is press it till it goes away. I'm bringing it to the edge. Once it's at the edge, it's gonna go away. Use your scraper for this. And there you go. Air bubble gone. Switch it. Grab the next one. Now for the next one, it's gonna be this adorable purple one, which a lot of people love purple. I'm gonna make sure I press it. I don't want no air bubbles. Use your scraper. Remember, don't be afraid to press on it. You don't want any air bubbles. Like none of them. They're not cute. And if it doesn't lift, grab your scraper, scrape it again even harder, and make sure it lifts. You see that? And it's gonna lift. You're gonna grab it again. You're gonna put it right in the middle, whatever the middle is to you. And then once you press it down, you can lift it. Okay, grab your scraper. This one has no air bubbles, I can see right away. You're gonna pull it down nice and slow. And there you go. How freaking cute is this? And even if I add the back, look at how cute this is gonna be. Okay, I'm gonna put that on top. We're gonna go ahead and do the final one. Can you guys see? Okay. And then for the final one, I decided to do the yellow. The yellow would be cute. But I think you guys think I should keep doing this, like different colors? Do you think I should just stick to one color? Or, I don't know. When she told me, like, why do I get the purple one? I kind of felt bad. And I was like, yeah, why does she always get the purple one? So I think I'm not going to stick to one color. I think I'm going to pick a number. And whatever number you get, I think that's the basket you're getting. I think this is going to be fun this year. Let's see what they say. And wait until you see the stuff that I will be adding into the baskets. Oh my God. I got some good stuff this year. Because I think along the way. So, okay. We're going to scrape it. Always scrape it. I know you think you can use your fingers, and a lot of people do. This is what it's for. This is what the professionals use. Use it. Buy yourself a nice one. You're going to use it for the rest of your life while you're making projects. And voila. How cute is this? Like, how cute is this going to be? Look at, even if I put the pink one in here with the yellow, it's going to be adorable. Or rather, I put it here. It's going to be adorable. I cannot wait, you guys. Now, let me show you this way. Sorry, because I like to face it towards me when I'm working on the projects, because I don't want it to get messed up. But what do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? Do you like the purple? Do you like the pink one? Let me know which one you guys think you guys like. And that you can't see it, so I'm just trying to show you. But yeah, I like them all. I think they're all adorable. Thanks for prepping this with me. And I'll see you in the next video where we're going to put it together. And let's see what I add in there. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And until next time, bye you guys. And yeah, I can't wait for Mother's Day.